Best deal po ba ng townhouse ang hanap nila? Allow me to introduce this two-story townhouse in Tandang Sora, Quezon City. This townhouse is located near Mindanao Avenue, Congressional Avenue, and Visayas Avenue, Quezon City. Few minutes away lang po siya at one ride going to SM North EDSA at Trinoma. The good thing with this townhouse po, solid concrete walls po siya or buhos kaya siguradong matibay. May anti-anay features, reflective windows to resist the heat during maaraw, LED ang mga lights para tipid sa electricity bill, at may ground wires po sa electrical lines for future innovations. And guess what? Dahil mataas ang appraisal ng townhouse, you just need to pay 10% down payment at pwede nilang i-loan ang remaining balance po na 90%. Here are the details of this townhouse.
So this is the townhouse. This is the first car garage. And second yung sa loob. Tara, let's go.
At the front is your open car garage.
So this is your second car garage. Mataas ang ceiling, may solid main door po sila sa kanilang house. Then, meron po silang reflectorized glass for your window. Tara!
At solid piano finish sa ating main door. At the ground floor, here's our living area. May magandang TV console, naka-cove light ang ceiling, at may modern na center light.
So this is our kitchen area. Maganda po ang ating countertop kasi gawa po siya sa natural granite. At maganda rin po ang ating cabinet kasi gawa po siya sa marine board.
Marine laminated wood ang cabinets with modern aluminum handle. At may LED light sa ilalim ng cabinets para maliwanag sa gamit ng kitchen. Then sa tabi po ng kitchen, here is our dining area.
Kasya po ang 6-seater na dining table, maganda po ang ceiling, at may magandang center light. Tara, punta naman po tayo sa ating service area. So here is our service area. Then this is our maid's room.
Then beside it, here's our first toilet and bath.
Okay, now let's go to the second floor. Come, let's check naman po ang master's bedroom. So this is our master's bedroom. Kasya-kasya po ang king size na bed.
May sariling cabinet, naka-cove ceiling, may balcony na makikita ang quiet neighborhood, may sariling toilet and bath, magandang fixture, lalagyan ng glass enclosure, at may kasamang vanity cabinet.
So this is our second bedroom.
May sariling cabinet at maliwanag ang room.
So this is our common toilet and bath.
Maganda ang tiles at may accent wall sa shower area.
So this is your storage area para sa inyong mga cleaning materials at iba pang gamit. Lastly, here's our third bedroom.
Ang special po sa bedroom na ito ay meron po siyang loft para may additional bed area in case kailangan po natin. We hope nagustuhan po nila ang best deal townhouse na ito, which is located in Tandang Sora, Quezon City. Pwede po siya sa 10 or 20% down payment kung kayo ay magbabank loan. For viewing schedule and inquiries, please contact The Great Empire Realty at 0977-859-0581. Thank you very much and God bless po sa ating lahat.